and feed it fish. Here I'm going to put some of this in that swim there where the waterfall runs. See if we can get them all dancing. It's lovely and clear now, that pond. Feeding time for the animals. Oops. Oh, we've got a flower on to Lily as well. Yeah. That. Looks like it's white. So it's lovely and clear now, that pond. Just netted it up, just fed up. Oh. Yeah, see straight down. Got pebbles rock bottom. See that plant pot? Pumps and fish. So Friday tomorrow, sausage market allotment. So let's go at this magic gate. Love that magic doorway, me. Look at this. Henry's been watering up. He's watered everywhere. It's only 6:10. And there's no watering. I don't see it's crocodile. Just left it in pumpkinberry here, but oh, look at this. Oh, where are we? There's these pumpkins. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're growing. There's another one. Bloody hell. There's another one. Oh, that's not growing so big. Bloody hell. Look at them marrows. Marrow. Oh, them figs are, these might be ready then. I'll have to ask Ken when he comes on. Well, it's come off anyway. Have to leak it down a bit. Yeah. All looking good. Oh, see them been pollinated because they've gone brown. When they go brown, they've been pollinated by them. So that shaking about by us did alright. So they should start fattening up the cobs now then. They need some sun on them. Sun on them. Hard for to say that. Oh, here we go.
Morning.
Morning, Ken.
Morning.
Catch you. Now I'm going to have a brew. We'll use our water up milk. Sun's behind us.
Oh,
There you go.
This is too early, this.
We've got Joe giving us a masterclass here on plaiting onions.
Put your fist through and then just bring it back again. So that's number one, no? Yeah.
Out. Ken's got yours out plats not in a minute.
Get your second one, pull it through, bring it round. And pull it down.
Look at
That's
this.
too complicated for me.
Could have been a Frenchman.
There's your string,
Yeah,
pull it through,
yeah,
bring it round,
yeah.
put it underneath
Pull it down.
and pull it down.
Wee wee. Stop swearing, Henry. I've no bleep machine.
put it through, put it at the side, bring it through, and just turn it underneath.
Right.
You just carry on, Joe.
No, well, let him show me how to do. I'm going to do one in a bit. I'm going to do them onions over there.
Look, just put it through,
Twist it round.
all the way through.
Put it
and then
underneath.
just put it underneath.
There you go. Masterclass off Joe. Last one.
Last one, bring
Round.
it through,
And
and just
twist it
turn
over.
it underneath, twist it.
Belted. Let Joe carry on with that. Well, that's how you do onions. According to Uncle Joe from Mexico, so I've got a load to keep me busy. But just been watering these and seeing a touch of blight on these spuds, so all tops are coming off. And then I'll have to take them up compost up there, because I can't go in our compost, obviously, for reasons we all know. We'll get that brew and then get them tops off then. There you go, all off. So I'll go get my barrow and have to compost with that lot. The community compost bin. That's that gone to compost. I've just been round and using all the salt what I had up. It's worth that salt though, isn't it? I'm all dying in clumps where I've salted it. It's getting down slowly. I'll get some more salt tomorrow. It's keeping it down. I think I've got up to about here. I need to do this again down this bottom end, but it's getting there, this. I've just done all that again. See, clearing up, innit? Slowly. Just keep on top of it now. It's nice and clear. Oh, there's a couple of weeds out there. Not many. Boom. Henry's got some onions out here, he's gone drying out. Onions too. So we'll get the rest of them out. While they're hanging over. Nice onions then. I've loads of onions in a bit. I've got to take some home because last week, I couldn't believe it, I had a burger at home. I was just looking forward to it. Shirley shouts, "Do you want onions?" I'm like, "Yeah, go on please." No onions. No onions. And all them in there. Couldn't believe it. Anyway, these have been pollinated now because can you see these tassels have gone brown? If they're brown, that means them's pollinated them. So now we want a lot of sun on them, get them fat and cobs. They're fat now. But if you see any that's pure white, oh, it's just turning brown that, so that's, you see where the things, sorry, so sick. Sorry. See where that's making them brown? That's pollinated it, that. So, Bob's your uncle there. All looking good. The toners are all pollinated there, can you see them? They just start fattening up now. The things inside, we've got some cranberries on. Don't know what you're supposed to do with them. Except have them with turkey. But they're on anyway. These figs have gone overripe and they're falling off, so we know we have to take them a bit earlier next year. So just pull one off before and it, so that one doesn't feel so bad. See the change in colour now, can you see? There. So. It's nearly ripe, that one. Yeah. Got some black cherries in here. A couple of cucumbers at Nico as well. Turkish Yui. That's one black cherry there. This one. Yeah, there you go. There. I don't know, it's nice and soft. Oh, it's fell off. Well, there you go. Proof's in the eating, isn't it? Let's have a taste. Not the worst thing I've ever tasted, though. So, it just tastes like a flat taste tomato. But, pleasant enough. Not as nice as Sungold, that, but okay then. There we go. If you get a greenhouse, first thing you should do is put hinges on your door. Yeah, these need to come out as well, because we all fell over. Some bonny onions in there. Bonny red ones as well. And there's some in there need to come out. But I'm not doing them today. I'll do them at morning when it's nice and cool, because it's warming up again now. Everything's been watered and fed in here. Got chilies on here, that banana one. Little Astor chili there, little berry there. Looks like someone's been eating that one. It does. Well, that's no good. Take that one off. Sorry, Barry. There's bayonet and that leaf is growing. As long as my finger now, near enough. So that's doing alright. Them little baby leafers, what we potted up, they're doing alright. Basket of fire, full. Apache's not got so many on, I don't think. What's that there? Yeah, there's one. Little Apache. So that's starting off. Nothing on that one yet. Taro there or so. Oh, that one, yeah, there's one starting there at middle there. See it? Oh, there. No, not there. There. So them's okay. Nothing on that one yet. These are the ones that was attacked with green fly, but they're okay now. Yeah, they're okay. So there's black cherries on there. There must be black. Oh, there you go. This is black cherry, isn't it? That one. There, them's them. So they're ripening quicker down there. And Sungold's doing alright. I think I've got some cucumbers on this one now. So start taking them nice and early. And I believe I'm going to be taking home with me today lovely little colour. Look at that beaut. 2 fistfuls and a thumb. Oh, there's another. Got to take these before they blow. The earwig on there, we don't mind that bit. Yeah, take them two today before they blow, because they're all starting off now. That's got an head on, that one has. That's just about blowing, that one. Fun. Oh, it's a bit green in the middle, that one's no good. For them two, take them two. They'll be ready for Sunday, for Henry. And these will be ready next week. Henry said there's some veg in Paul Green, so hopefully we'll go get some veg. Take all this old stuff out and put some in for, I don't know when it'll be for now, next spring I think. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, these are arting up as well, these greyhound. So everything's looking okie-dokie in there. I'm going to leave that open because I'm going to go and get my knife. Take them collie off. I've run out of coffee. I've got some at home, but none here. So I'll get these off and job stopped here. There you go. 9:10. Did sausages this morning. Ken made them. Oh, what was the M&S? Don't know what it was, but there's lovely sausages. Cheers, Ken. Probably Ken's missus who cooked them, but cheers, Ken. Anyway, got 2 bonnet collie, 2 bonnet cucumbers and a few tomatoes this week. Tomatoes are coming. So we're off to call them off now. Should be some ripe ones coming. They're all ripening up now. I've just had a good feed. I'll come back later on and water them. Give them a water. But I'll give all these a water. I'll clean that tray out when I come back. And that's that green water out of that bowl there. That one's alright now. Stock clear. Yeah. These tomatoes, once they start going red, cherry picking time. I'm not done. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm going to take the onions home as well. What Joe strung up, because we need some onions. So I've got some now. So we'll better get a bag for them, haven't I? Big bounty today. Right, I'll be on tomorrow, and a lot of weeding tomorrow at beds for me. It's a full day tomorrow weeding in here. But today I'm going seeing my grandkids. I've only seen Ada once, and she's a month old now. So I'm going there. So today's wrote off. I've done a bit anyway. Done a bit of harvest done. Done some weeding. Got the meds cut off. Not done much really this morning. Watered up. Well, Henry watered up. But there you go. See you tomorrow. Bright and early.